Hey guys, sorry about the funny angle. I'm just trying to show you that you can still see the bees flying. It's about the 20th of November and we've been having quite a bit of frost. We're in Essex. Nevertheless, the bees seem to be finding pollen, or well, not pollen, but they seem to be finding something because they're flying quite a bit. Anyway, that's not what I'm here about today. I'm going to show you how to upgrade the fiberglass roof that you can find on my website and on top of this hive. I've got some kingspan. This is about 1 inch kingspan. I've got a box cutter. I've got a tape because it's quite a precise. It's quite a precise process. So what you do is you take this and you take that and you measure it like that, and then cut a groove in it like that. You just score it basically. And then you flip it over and you cut down the other side. This I find, kingspan I find, is a lot better than polystyrene due to the fact that it isn't as hydroscopic, and with the aluminium one it seems to yeah, it works quite well. So now you put it on there, your carefully measured piece of kingspan. You take the lid and you put the lid on, and there you go. The other method that I'm using to cover my hives is I'm using actually I'll do a video on that. If you like this one so far, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.